Deep meditation to restore the sense of moment. Guided meditation day 15. Through the sense of movement, a person perceives the movement he or she is performing. A person moves his foot and perceives this movement. The sense of movement perceives something in which activity, mobility is presupposed. The purpose of my own sense of movement is to give me confidence that movement in my muscular bone and joint system is even possible, and to state when the movement is then accomplished. Awareness of the sense of one's own movement gives us a deeper understanding of ourselves and the spiritual world around us. Each of the 12 human senses is very important for harmonious development and healing. And now, through meditation practice, let's try to feel the sense of movement in ourselves, to realize and renew ourselves within. Please turn off all devices so that nothing disturbs you. Let me give you my attention. Sit comfortably. Straighten your back. Place your palms on your knees. Then turn them toward the sky. Calmly let go of all thoughts. Let all the thoughts and worries of this day disappear. Listen to my voice and follow it. Close your eyes. You are here and now. Say out loud, I am here and now. Take 3 deep breaths and 3 deep exhalations. Take your time, do everything calmly. Now, listen to your body's sensations. Try to feel the energy flowing inside you. It is a subtle sensation. The energy moves calmly. When you breathe in, it feels warm, When you breathe out, it feels cool. It is easiest to feel it on the back, along the spine, like a light wind or ants. Listen to yourself inside. What do you feel? Are you listening? Are you in silence? Stay in a state of calm. Your eyes are still closed. Say out loud, I consciously renew my sense of moment. I consciously renew my sense of movement. The energy of life fills me and heals my body. The energy of life fills me and heals my body. I love life, and life loves me. I love life, and life loves me. Continue to be in silence and a sense of peace. Keep meditating. dear friend. The sense of moment helps us move through life and realize our plans. It is said that as long as we are moving, we are living. Let yourself move not only to the outside world, but also to your inner world, because our inner world is the basis of our outer world. Remember, life loves you.